Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting journey as I learn about finance and try to pay off 6 figures of overall debt, including my house. Here I share my successes and my failures in hopes that none of you make the same mistakes that I did, because Lord knows I've made many. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all of you so much, the comments, the support. You have no idea. And if you're new here, pull up a seat, stay a while. I hope you enjoy. Today we are doing my April 28th paycheck cash envelope stuffing, and we have a little bit extra going on. Let's just get to it. We've got $128 for the cash envelope stuffing. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 5, 90, 5, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Lord, those bills were sticking together. So I hope everyone is doing well today. The day that I'm filming this is actually mine and Eric's 7-year anniversary. So I'm going to try to get this done so that we can go and enjoy ourselves today. It is a rainy Saturday morning. So lovely time there. So this is the money that's laid out here. We also have the $13 that we held back from that last cash envelope stuffing. So we'll find out what's going to happen with that. And my family never got together for Christmas on my mom's side this year, and my grandmother sent me my Christmas money. So we've got that to do something with also. So let's jump to this. We're going to start with the envelopes that are in my wallet, just like always. It looks like Eat Out is going to be the first one that gets money. So we'll just pull this out. And we've got $16 that's going to go into it. So we should have $29 total in this envelope. Okay, so we've got 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay. These, I don't think I care which order they're in because you can't see the backs of them anyway. So there's that one. The gas envelope is going to get $27. So that's going to be 83, 25, 6, and 7. Okay. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, and 3. Now, the reason that this one is so thin is because I have Walmart Plus, or actually Eric has Walmart Plus, so we use the app to pay for our gas. So this is just overflow in case we stop somewhere else. Groceries gets $7 today. And that should bring us back to the 50 that we like to keep in the envelope for if we have to stop somewhere. Look at that. You take out 7, you add back 7. Okay. Let's see. So we've got 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. It feels really good to be able to keep that around where we want it to be. Okay, $3 in joint miscellaneous. It's nice to know we've got this here if we need to randomly stop and get something. I'm sorry if you hear my dog. Oops, 3. I've still got the last one in my mind. Okay, so we have here 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. No, Diane's not getting anything. Paula is getting $15. We had a scare with Paula this week, but we think it was a medicine thing, so she seems to be doing better. Thank you, everybody, for your prayers for my future mother-in-law. Okay, that's 25. She is wanting a barbecued baked potato this week, so that'll help pay for that. Okay, and of course we don't have any money going back to the bank at this moment. So that's everything from the cash envelopes that belong in my purse. So moving on, pull this one down. You know what? Lon's not in this one. I've got this one out. Oh, I know why I have this one out. Because I wanted to show you that I'm going to use... Nope. We're not using date night money for this. We're using anniversary money. Never mind. I'm just going to set this one here. Move along to this one. Y'all, I'm having a moment. Okay. So, we need Lon. And Lon is going to get $9. So we should have $322 in here. So we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 2. So 322. Okay, 322 divided by 11.55 means we should have 27 of these colored in. I really should take these two off. I don't have anything wet with me at the moment. I'll try to remember to do that before next time. So, there we are. We've got our gas and oil money and any repairs we need to do for our lawn maintenance. In fact, we need to buy a trimmer, so is it just me or do those things not last like they used to? I think I've bought 3 since I've been in this house, and I've only been in this house for 6 years. It'll be 7 in December. So, yeah, this would be my 6th summer. Anyway, okay, that's everything for this binder. When it comes to this one, we're going to get to take some money out. So, today is our anniversary, so we are going to spend this money today. I'm going to pull this out. All of it. I'm going to leave this to the side because I'm going to clear that out. And then, of course, all of this money needs to go in my wallet. So I'm just going to set it to the side here so that it's ready to go later whenever we go do our thing. And then I need Christmas, which is the very last one back here. Christmas is going to get $25. Hoping you all can see what I'm doing here. So we should have 429 So I've got 1, 2, 3, 50, 70, 90, 410, 420, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 429. Man, those 50s. Okay, so we've got 429 divided by 30. Means we should have 14 colored in. And that means we get to color in one more. So let's do that. So we're moving right along on Christmas. Oh, let's fix this. That's everything for that binder. And everything else right here is going to go to the Debt Snowball. Now, this $13 we decided was going to also go to the Debt Snowball. So thank you to everybody who commented and gave your opinion on that. Which means we have $25, $35, $36, $37, $38, $39 that's going to go toward the Debt Snowball. So 9 makes that 88, so we've got 118. Let's see. Let's move that out of the way. Okay, we're just gonna throw that in the middle here. There we go. So we have 50, 70, 80, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Imagine that, you guys. I mathed okay. Okay, so that's $118 for April's Debt Snowball. The last thing that I have here is the $100 from my grandmother. And Eric and I talked about it this morning because even though this came in an envelope with my name on it, it's really a gift for both of us. So I couldn't put it toward anything until I had talked to him about it first. And he suggested that I put it toward the shoes that I need to replace. So I'm going to put this in the Erica envelope. So that I should have the money between what's already in here and this $100 to get my shoes while we're out of town today, up in the big city. Haha. As big as it gets around here. So, I have 100, 20, 40, 5, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hope that's enough to get it. I think it will be. So, thank you, Eric, for putting your share toward my shoes. I love you and I appreciate you very much. So that should make for a fun day today. I'm gonna put all this up. My next video should be the savings challenges for April because we have just a little bit of money. We only have $19, but every little bit helps, right? To go toward our goals. So my next video is going to be that one. Be sure to join me for that. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen. And I will see you all next time. I hope you all have a great couple of days. Bye!